Hello everyone, Sam here from my forexmagicwave.com. Making this small video about the last week uh, weekly recap, the trades and all, taking on all of that. Usually I make it like Saturday, Sunday, but today is like Monday's gone and today's Tuesday. So yeah, I've been very busy doing other things, so a little bit delay. So let's get started here. As you can see, I think the week started on the 25th. I guess there was nothing there, but on the 26th, 26th October, this is the Bitcoin trade. I'm trying to start doing some of these crypto. So I just starting with the Bitcoin, nothing else. And so far, I found it where it is it's very easy. I use trading this Bitcoin using this system. So these are a couple of trades here. This one on the 26th here, and then this is also on the 26th after dropping, retracing, and then again entry here. I took this is the one here. Late entry a little bit, but it's okay because this thing moves fast. By the time you see it and you try to go and then open a trade, it's there already. It is moving. It moves fast. Then there was a very nice entry here, but this is the entry that I had, and all the way down here on the 26th. So yeah, it's been pretty good trading Bitcoin. Now here, gold. You can see that the system is giving beautiful entry here. This is the one that I took, and look at that one, right? This one, this one, this one. Well, this one is not touching the yellow, so I wouldn't call it entry. But these are the entries that took you all the way down. I forgot to close it on time. So this is what happened if you do not manage the trade and pay attention to. You are in profit, then you are not. Okay, so market takes it back. So you must find your SNR level where it's supposed to bounce, and you have pretty good amount of pippage. Then to simply close it. People like, yeah, okay, maybe let's 50, 100 more. No, it returns on you. It turns and then take away the profit. Now on the 27th pound Aussie, beautiful short entry and all the way down here. On the 27th euro yen, I had this trade and then it went up, and I forgot that if I was in any profit, but yeah. Um, and then this one gave me like 70 pip. It went down more, but like I said, you don't want to give it back to the market if you are. There are several factors, timing and the daily range and all of that. So if you see the danger that it might stop and the reverse, get out. Now on the 27th October, pound Nuzi, again, entry. All of these are entry. 65 pip here. And then on the 28th, Bitcoin again, after dropping, and this is how it becomes bullish. Nicely going, the yellow line is going above the black and above the red. Beautiful entry here. Boom, all the way. And then on the 28th, pound Aussie again, I just showed you this one, and then it dropped another one here for 55 pips. And on the 29th, again, this was the one I just showed you, this one, and then this one. And again, it retraces, and from here, 120 pips to the downside. And 29, again, the Bitcoin, it goes up, and then it goes sideways, and boom, there's beautiful entry here, and it goes straight up to 62,930. It's a daily high. Another thing that Bitcoin is moving between the numbers beautifully, one number to another. I mean, it's very amazing. I found that it is, and nothing is moving according to this SNR level, the highs and the lows of the daily and weekly chart. Beautiful. So this is the end of it. These are the trades that I took. I don't want to show anything else yet, so I'm gonna close it because I'm not feeling good. So this is it. This is how I just want to show that this system you can trade gold, any other metal, stocks, and I just showed you Bitcoin setups. Yes, the settings are a little different. So when you subscribe, see here, I had two entries here. I had this entry here based on this, even though the yellow is a little bit below the black, but I had the idea that this is what it's doing and didn't make the lower low. It's going to go up, so it went up. I took this one, and then I took a little bit this one. 2 entries, and boom, gone out the way. This was a beautiful entry as well, but since I'm already in, that's it. So this is how it's done. If you want to be a part of it, you want to learn the system, then go on my website. It's not here, but this is on myforexmagicwave.com, and then you'll find the way to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.